it was always saving America and then saving the world and then, the universe. So good for him. He deserved that. He deserved a happy life with his boo. And like I said, I think, because she was a S.H.I.E.L.D. agent, I hope that they sat down and talked about all of it. I hope that she, felt like her work had meaning. That's a big thing. I'm glad that, Banner and Hulk are now one. I'm glad they're cool again. Oh my god, it's so interesting to me that people are on Thanos' side. And it's like, I get it. It's like, if you had the opportunity... Whoa. It's like, if you had the opportunity... He saw an issue. Poverty. Starvation.